and it is starting on, already it has started. So enrollment is ending on 1st February, that is 31st of January itself. So now very short period of time is there. So you just get enrolled. Click on this one. It will open the course. It will show all the details of the course. All other different courses are also available. You can, if you are interested, you can go for those courses also. But this is the course which is suitable for you people. And you can enroll for 3-4 courses also. There is no any binding that you have to enroll for one course only. You can enroll for n number of courses. Okay, what you can do is,
Excuse me,
suppose you
sir.
want a certificate, then what you can do is, yes, tell me. Hello.
Somebody has asked. Yes, please.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, not
If you have any
audible,
doubt, you
sir.
can ask me. No problem. Not audible.
Sir is audible. I think
For you
you
or
check
others?
the
For
internet.
others, is it audible?
It's audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Yes, sir.
Check your
Yes, sir.
connection.
Yes,
It's audible.
yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Continue,
So
sir.
click
It is
on this
audible.
course. Yes, sir. Click on this course, any one course of your interest. Maybe I think network is slow. Let me, yes, it's opening. Yes, here it has opened the page of that course. The basic electronic course. He has given the course coordinator has given the introduction. That is, the course is about basic electronic circuits, both analog and digital circuits. In the analog part, what are the things that are discussed? Diode circuits, BJT amplifier. Those all things you will come to know. And even now, suppose you are first year, there are physics and chemistry courses also. You can enroll for those courses also. Here, he is the professor who is conducting this course. He is from IIT Bombay. You can see the details of that professor. And here you can see that this is the introductory video. If you click on this one, it is the introduction to this course. And if you scroll below, you can see the course layout. Means these are the contents of the course, how they are doing. Suppose it is a 8-week course, no, sorry, 12-week course. If it is a 12-week course, every week they are giving the content. Each week, how much portion they will be covering. This is lecture 1. They will be covering the history of electronics. Lecture 2, superposition. Lecture 3, useful circuit techniques. Like that, every week they will be conducting this one. And at the end of each week, there will be one assignment. Means what? If suppose it is a 12-week course, how many assignments will be there? 12 assignments will be there, and minimum 9 assignments you have to answer and you have to submit. Then only you will be under good credit to write the examination. If you want to join this course, just click on join the course. Once you click on join the course, it will open this window. These are already auto-filled because as I am doing the courses for myself from last 3 years, so these are auto-filled. For you people, first time it will ask for all these. That is your name, your mobile number, your email address, which age group you are belonging to, country, what is your profession. You can select it as a student. Then what is the highest qualification? Means, for example, suppose now you are in BE first year, no, your highest qualification will be 10+2, that is QC. Then when you have completed that 10+2, that is 2020. Then
Aishwarya,
this
mute
is very
yourself.
important. You see here, a part of Swayam local chapter. Yes, our college is a part of Swayam local chapter. So you have to click it on yes only. Select yes. Then once then it will ask for state, type Karnataka. Then it will ask for college name. So college name, don't type it as BLDA. You will not find. Start from Vachana, VACHANA. Here, this is the college name which is registered in NPTEL portal. Vachana Pitamaha Dr. PG Halkati College of Engineering and Technology, Vijaypura, Karnataka. This is the name of the college. You have to type. So you start typing VACHANA, it will automatically show our college name. So you can select that name. Don't type BLDA. Type Vachana. Just type Vachana. It will show our complete college name and select it. Then area, which area you belong to, engineering, and which department you belong to. I'm mechanical, so I have selected mechanical. You can select electronics and communication. Then you have to say, I agree to terms and condition. Then you have to press on review and join the course. Once you press on review and join the course, you will be joined to that, enrolled to that course, and you will get a mail also from the NPTEL that you have joined for this course. So from that course itself directly see here, it is joined now. And like this, the portal will be open, and you can see here that week 0. There is, means it is a pre-assignment before the start of the course. We have given assignment, you will have some basic knowledge to proceed to this course. Then week 1, see here. In the week 1, they have given so many lectures. Lecture 1, lecture 2. Each lecture is about 30 minutes maximum. 20 to 30 minutes. So about 6 lectures means about 3 to 4 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. 2 hours is there, and slides is also there available for your reference. Then once you view all the courses, you can attend this quiz. That is the assignment. Okay. Once you give the assignment, after the end of that course, you have to submit that assignment, and you have to carry forward to the week 2. See here, assignments are there. You can give the answers, and at the end of that, you go and click. So this is answer. You click on this one. At the end of that, you have to press submit answer button, and you can see here that what is the due date for this submission? 3rd February. For assignment 1, the due date is 3rd February in night at 11 p.m. So what you have to do is, until 3rd February, any number of times you can submit the assignment. At 3rd February, it will lock. So before 3rd February, any number of times. For example, suppose you have to do the lecture, and lecture 1 is concerned with only question number 1 and 2. So question number 1 and 2 only, and then press submit button. Then later you will see lecture 2. And lecture 2, there is answer for suppose question number 3 and 4, answer question 3 and then 4. Like this, you can submit it till the due date, that is till 3rd of February. Like this. Otherwise, what happens? Viewing all the lectures and answering all the questions means, again, whatever you have learned in lecture 1, you may not be remembering. So you can follow this also. Okay. Like this. Is it clear? Any doubt in this one? How to carry out the NPTEL courses? So week 0, week 1, week 2 have already started now, because it has started on 18th January itself, and the enrollment will end on 31st January. So before that, you have to enroll it by going to the course and just pressing the join button. Okay. And you can even go for a mentor also. For example, suppose this is a basic electronic course. One of the people from electronics department will be a mentor for you people. He will be just like your teacher. So whatever you difficulty arises for you in that course, what you can do is you can press on this mentor button. It will show how many mentors are available for this course. Which faculty you want to choose, you can choose that one. Now, still no any mentor has been added. I will be adding it soon. Once you start enrolling for this course, I'll be adding. So about 15 to 20 people, students will be there under that faculty, and he will be giving you what is the last date for that submission of assignments and all other course details, or if you are having any doubt in that course, those all things will be cleared by the mentor. So what you have to do is, once you have to click on this mentor and you have to select that faculty, then only he will become your mentor. Okay? Suppose 2 faculty names are available and you want to select the first faculty, click on the first faculty, he will become your mentor and he will come to know who are the students under him, and you can contact him for that. Okay. Now any doubt in this one, how to enroll for the courses?
Yes, if you have any doubt in enrolling basic electronics course, that actually for the same purpose we have carried out that webinar today only.
And here also you can see that. See here that there is a ask a question is also there. You can ask directly to the course coordinator also. Okay. If you have any doubt in, suppose you have viewed lecture 1 and in lecture 1 you have any doubt, you can start ask a question, click on ask a question, and you can ask the question there itself, so that there will be answering. Means you have to type that question, they will be answering your question, and you can view your progress also.
Yes, sir. Shall we move on to the next topic? If anybody has
Do the
any
enrollments and how to carry out the free for enrollment. So I request you all to enroll for 3-4 courses. There is no any problem in that one. You can go for 3-4 courses and then carry out the things for 1 week, and you will come to know that which course is good for you and which course you are most interested. Then you can continue that course till the end of that course. And if you want, you can do the examination for that course also, whichever you are interested in. Okay. I hope I am clear for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can raise the hand, or you can type your question in the chat box, or you can directly ask by unmuting yourself.
students, you are going to enroll basic electronics. So if you have any doubt regarding that, you can ask now. Enrollment is totally free. You are not going to pay even single rupee for that. That is also going to help you very much now, as now your basic electronics subject is there. That is a core subject.
In your first semester, there is a basic electronics subject is there. I think in first or second semester you will be having, based on your cycle, which will be helpful for you people.
Yes, sir.
So this time only they have basic electronics subject, sir.
Okay, sir, no problem. Good.
Okay.
Means you are having a chemistry cycle, so you will go for basic electronics. Yes.
Okay. So shall I discuss 1 or 2 minutes?
And I will be, even Gaur sir is available in the department for your consulting, and even I will also be available in the NPTEL office, which is in my cabin, is first floor in the mechanical department. In mechanical department wing, first floor, if you come there, there is a board named the NPTEL office. Okay? Swayam NPTEL local chapter. Anytime you can come during the working hours, office hours, you can come and you can clarify your doubts if you are having any doubts, or if you want to ask any question, or else even Gaur sir is available, and even your HOD Dikshit sir is also available. You can contact them and you can clarify the doubts. If there are any issues related to NPTEL, sir is there to answer your queries, or else I will be always there in the NPTEL office to answer your queries. And one more thing I want to address is that we can even recommend students as a low economy. For example, suppose you are registered for the NPTEL course, and if HOD and our department coordinator and myself, if I specify some of the names to the NPTEL, they will be funding 50% of the registration fee after you qualify the examination. Once you qualify the examination, they will reimburse that fees. About 50% of the fees will be reimbursed back to you. That is one advantage you will get. But the main condition is that you have to register for the examination and you have to qualify in that examination. The qualifying marks is 40 out of 100. Out of 40, 20 is assignment marks. So submission of assignment is also very important. So never skip the submission of assignment. You have to submit the assignment and minimum 20 marks is needed for the assignment. Otherwise, even if you will score 60 marks in the main examination, then also you will not be eligible to get the certificate. So assignment is compulsory along with the main examination, proctored examination. And nearby, even this time we are planning to get the center here also, but it is all depends upon how many registration that will happen in our college. Now nearby you are having Bagalkot is the center, Solapur is the center, Belgaum is the center, Gulbarga is the center, Hubli is the center. So you can use those as the examination centers if you have applied for certification then.
So to add with
Okay, if you have any doubt, sir, over from my side.
yes, sir, just to add with your what advantages you are going to tell. I just want to add what are the main potential uses of this joining NPTEL courses. So let me tell only two main advantages here. So one main advantage is that as the sir has told, Dr. Bhavi sir, there are three types of courses are there. 4 week. If you do successfully 4 week, you will get 1 credit point certificate. If you do 8 week course successfully, you will get 2 credit point certificate. And if you do successfully 12-week course, as you are now doing basic electronics, you are getting 3 credit point course, 3 credit point certificate. Like that, if you do at least one such course in one semester, so by the end of 8th semester, means in your 4-year duration degree, if you are able to grab around 20 such credit points, okay, remember 20 such credit points, and if your CGPA is above 6, if your CGPA is above 6 from first semester to till end, then you will be eligible to be getting directly B honors degree, BTech degree from the VTU in collaboration with MHRD or IIT. That is totally different from your B degree, normal B degree. This is one very important advantage. Second very important advantage I want to just mention that later I am going to share that link there. From this semester onwards, IITs which are going to run these courses, no NPTEL courses, are now started collaborating with top industries. If you are going to do very well in one of the particular courses like basic electronics or any NPTEL course, if you take, ನೀವು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then you will be getting directly the offer letters. Directly you are getting offer letters from the companies. And basically this is in accordance with your choice of course. So normally we are going to divide the NPTEL courses in 2 categories. Academic related, which are going to enhance your knowledge, academic and knowledge. Second one, your placement or project related. So there, if you do really well, that is going to help you a lot in your placements. Moreover, if you do these courses, which are going to boost your CV, resume, which are going to make your resume a very stronger, a very weighted one. And also these courses are going to help you in getting internship opportunities from the IITs. So these 2 things you keep in mind. One is a BTech degree, another one placement opportunities or offer letters directly you are getting from the top companies along with internship opportunities. So only these 2 things you keep in mind. That too you can see, just you can imagine getting the 20 credit point is not a big issue. You are going to pay 1000 rupees for getting one certificate. That too for 3 credit point 12-week course if you do. Like that you are going to invest only 7 to 8,000 rupees. On the other side, enrollment is totally free. If you don't want any certificate, no, enrollment is totally free. So knowledge you can get a lot. So these are the two important advantages just I wanted to mention. One is a BTech degree, another one is direct placement opportunities if you do very well in these NPTEL courses. So from the department side, HOD sir is going to tell something about that. But we decided right now basic electronics course is there. I request all of you, even inform all of you to, for your benefit, basic electronics you can join as early as possible and start working towards whatever the steps which have been told by the Dr. Bhavi sir. Sir, Dixit sir.
Okay, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Dear students,
sir, regarding BE honors degree, I want to add little thing.
Okay.
I want to introduce little more about that BE honors degree.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So it is that BE honors degree is from Vishweshwaraya Technological University itself. So you know this second class, first class, then distinction. Those all classes you know, no? When you pass any degree. I have completed this BE degree with first class with distinction, or I have completed this BE degree with this 100% percentage. BE honors degree means it is above all these things. Means even if means it is more than that scoring 100% aggregate marks in 1 to 8 semester. So definitely it will have more weightage compared to a ordinary BE degree. And this BE honors degree, you have to do minimum 20 credit courses. Means you have to get certified. For 4 week, if you complete a 4-week course, it is 1 credit point. If you complete 8-week course, you will get 2 credit points. If you complete a 12-week course, you will get 3 credit points. Suppose you are doing a 12-week course every semester. So till 8th semester, you are having till your end of the degree, you are having 8 semester. So you will have opportunity to complete 8 12-week courses. So 8 is at 24. Means you can easily achieve that 20 credit points. And you can aim for that one, that BE honors degree, which is having its own distinction, which is having its own distinction from other students. And other than that, Gaur sir already told about the placements. That is one major things, because as NPTEL has tied up with most of the reputed industries, and if you choose the courses such that which are having more practical importance in your area, that is in your E&C or in computer science or in interdisciplinary like mechatronics disciplines, then definitely you will have better edge. And the courses, you will go directly, you may directly get the offer from the companies also by taking the courses from the by taking your details from the NPTEL, that companies will directly approach you. This thing has happened already. One of our student has got this opportunity, and in North Karnataka about 8 students have got this type of opportunity. That is directly they have companies have contacted them for their recruitment process. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you from my side. I request Umesh Dikshit sir to.
Okay, and dear students, first of all, I thank Gaur sir for taking this particular initiation, and also I thank Dr. Bhavi sir explaining about NPTEL courses in detail. Okay, dear students, this is one of the wonderful opportunity. You can think of taking at least 1 or 2 courses in the first year. So you can think of courses with respect to academics as well as for coming placements also. As sir told, it is better to choose first basic electronics subjects, because anyway you are going to learn basic electronics subject this semester. Okay, so it will help you in both ways. One is no doubt you are learning the basic concepts which are helpful in clearing this VTU semester exam. Along with that, you'll be able to get one certificate from IIT, which carries a lot of weightage. Also, I suggest you to register for C programming course, because you have even that C programming also this time, same semester you have. So you'll be learning the basics of C programming anyhow. So if you complete that course again, that may help you for placement also. Okay. And what I suggest you is you make your own group, so that in a group you better to select the courses that will help you to complete the assignments. Okay. So once you are able to complete the assignments, and if you attend the exams as sir suggested, you'll get the certificates which carry lot of weightage. As sir told, you'll get opportunity for internship. Sometimes even you may get directly offer letters from industries also. And one more thing, from the department side, what we have planned is, by the end of 5th semester, you must have to get at least 2 certificates from NPTEL. It's mandatory, and for this we have given 10% weightage in the assignment marks. Probably by the end of 8th semester, there will be 500 marks, which covers for project, seminar, internship, and other assignments also. So out of this 500 marks, 10% of the marks will be given if you are able to complete at least 2 courses before 5th semester. And from 5th semester to 8th semester, if you complete one more course, will get under 10%. Like that, some weightage we have planned to give based on the certificates you are going to get. Okay, but see that at least 2 courses you must have to complete. I'm saying completing means not just enrolling, you must have to get the certificates. Okay, right now as sir suggested, you just blindly register for basic electronic subject, and if possible, C programming also. Okay, that will help you a lot. So it will help you in scoring good marks in B2 exams as well as in getting the certificates. Okay, and see, these are world-class courses. So if you go outside, they'll charge at least 20 to 30,000 for each of the course. But however, from MHRD, they have given this initiation. They are offering these courses at free of cost with lot of advantages. They are very flexible also. As sir told, you can open the video at night. Whenever you are free, just you go through that video. You can write the assignment at your flexible time. You can submit, and you have to attend the exams to get the course. Okay, course certificate. Okay, students, please see that you should come forward, and you should register for all the courses. As sir told, at least basic electronics and C programming. And again, in the next semester, you can plan for other courses also. You can take suggestions from the Gaur sir. Okay, but see that at least 2 certificates you must get before completing the 5th semester. Okay, so that will help you in both the way. Academically, you'll be strong. You'll be prepared yourself for attending the placement campus interviews and tests. Okay, and even as I told, we have planned to give at least 10% weightage in the assignment marks. Means at least you'll get 50 marks once you are able to complete these 2 courses, at least 2 courses, I should say. Okay, students, wish you all the best. I thank once again Bhavi sir, Dr. Bhavi sir, and Professor Gaur sir for spending their valuable time. And if you have any kind of doubts, you can directly approach Gaur sir and in the registration of the course, or any kind of doubts. If you are directly, you can contact Gaur sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Gaur sir, anything else?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Dr. Bhavi sir, and thank you, Dr. Dixit sir, for their valuable time. And also thank you to the Dr. Bhavi sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to.
Sir, for last 2 days, I had troubled you a lot.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to share the things with students. And I'm very much thankful to you for initiating such things and doing for the benefit of the students. whatever the pain you are taking and whatever the efforts you are doing along with
Definitely.
HOD Umesh Dikshit sir,
Definitely,
those are
sir. Gaur
appreciable, sir.
Gaur
Again,
sir has
they will
taken
be
that
benefit
initiative.
the student community.
Yeah,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
We
sir.
always go with.
Students, all the best. All the best. We hope all of you will register in good number and they will come out with flying colors. All the best, students.
Thank you.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all for joining this meeting also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.